Welcome to Dividend and Conquer, your go-to source for navigating the complex waters of today's investment landscape. In a world brimming with uncertainty, where global economic factors sway the markets like a ship in a storm, there lies an unshakable beacon of hope for savvy investors: the power of optimism. In the realm of investing, few voices are as influential as Larry, the CEO of BlackRock. Steering the world's largest asset manager, with a staggering $9 trillion in assets, Larry's perspectives offer a unique window into the pulse of global finance. His recent conversation with CNBC's Jim Cramer illuminated a strikingly optimistic outlook. Despite the headwinds of geopolitical tensions and persistent inflation, Larry sees a resilient silver lining in the growth of long-term market trends. This optimism is grounded not just in hope, but in a deep analysis of market cycles and economic indicators, suggesting a powerful, albeit cautious, opportunity for investors. But before we dive into the depths of investment wisdom, make sure you subscribe to our channel and ring the bell icon. This way, you'll always be updated with our latest insights and strategies to help you conquer the markets. Larry's insights compel investors to look beyond the immediate tumult of current events, focusing instead on the long-term potential of the markets. He advocates for a strategy that balances caution with the prospect of growth, advising investors to harness the dynamic nature of global events to their advantage. Such an approach resonates not just with institutional investors, but also with individual investors aiming to build robust, forward-looking portfolios. By integrating a deep understanding of global economic trends with a steadfast focus on future opportunities, Larry encourages a reevaluation of investment strategies, emphasizing the importance of optimism and adaptability in today's ever-changing financial landscape. Imagine this scenario. You're at a crossroads with the opportunity to be heavily vested in equities, even up to 100% for the bold-hearted. It's like standing at the buffet of financial opportunities. The equities plate is heaping, and you're deciding just how much your investment stomach can handle. Larry's conviction in this approach isn't just a passing thought. It's a strategy born from a deep understanding of market dynamics, akin to a seasoned chef knowing exactly how to spice up a dish. His clear vision of the opportunities that lie ahead is not based on mere optimism, but on a recipe of experience, insight, and a pinch of daring. So as you stand there, contemplating if you should go full investment gourmet or stick to the financial appetizers, remember that this isn't about recklessly piling up your plate. It's about choosing the right mix that suits your appetite for risk and growth. Larry's approach is like adding just the right amount of hot sauce. Enough to add flavor, but not so much that you're running for water. It's a calculated move, a blend of boldness and wisdom, suggesting that sometimes the most rewarding meals are the ones where we dare to try a little bit of everything, especially the dishes we haven't tasted before. Now let's delve deeper. In a period marked by outflows, there's a fascinating counter-movement. Substantial inflows when sentiments shift. Consider this. Over the past year, BlackRock has seen a staggering $300 billion in net inflows. This isn't just a number, it's a testament to the immense opportunities that await in the investment world. Before we proceed, if you're finding this video insightful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Your support helps us bring more content like this to you. So why this unyielding faith in equities? The answer lies in adopting a long-term vision. Imagine looking 10, 20 years into the future, a world where humanity has advanced, where economies have evolved. Think of it like a futuristic movie, but instead of flying cars, we have soaring stock values. In such a future, owning hard assets and equities isn't just an option. It's like having a VIP ticket to the economic growth party. It's a necessity to be an integral part of this flourishing economy. Much like having a smartphone today, you could do without it. But why would you want to? Larry's foresight goes beyond mere stock picks. He sees a strategic opportunity in hard assets, particularly infrastructure. Why? The rise of remote work is reshaping the commercial real estate landscape. This shift makes infrastructure investments with returns ranging from 8 to 15% not just a secure bet, but as lucrative as finding a forgotten slice of cake in your fridge, satisfying and unexpectedly profitable. But there's more. As we pivot to the burgeoning field of AI and automation, Larry's bullish stance becomes even more compelling, almost like rooting for the underdog in a sports movie. The global economy is at a turning point reminiscent of a climactic plot twist. And in this scenario, two under-the-radar AI stocks stand poised to make a significant impact. These stocks are like the unsung heroes of a blockbuster film, overshadowed by the lead stars like Nvidia, Google, and Microsoft, yet holding the potential to steal the show. For investors seeking value and growth, these lesser-known stocks offer a golden opportunity, akin to finding a hidden gem in a treasure hunt. Let's zero in on Salesforce Inc., a beacon in the AI and customer relationship management software space. Picture Salesforce not just as a player, but as a maestro in the orchestra of AI and CRM. Post its earnings surge, Salesforce isn't just holding its gains, it's like a skilled surfer expertly riding the big wave of market success, strategically poised for sustained growth. Its robust AI strategy and innovative features like the Einstein Trust Layer aren't just bells and whistles. They're the turbo boosters propelling the CRM software into the future. Think of the Einstein Trust Layer as the smart, know-it-all friend in your tech circle, always one step ahead in providing solutions. As AI democratization expands, Salesforce continues to strengthen its position in the industry, much like a seasoned chef perfecting their signature dish. It's adapting and evolving, blending the classic ingredients of customer relationship management with the exotic spices of AI innovation. This isn't just a static growth, it's dynamic, proactive, and quite frankly, a bit show-offy in the best way possible. Salesforce's commitment to AI doesn't just put it on the map, it's creating a whole new continent in the realm of CRM software. The company is not just riding the wave of current tech trends, it's the one making the waves, showing the industry how it's done. In the competitive race of AI and CRM, Salesforce is the sprinter who not only leads the pack, but also sets a new record, continuously pushing the boundaries of what's possible. But wait, there's more to Salesforce's story. It's not just about the cutting-edge AI. Salesforce also has a knack for smart shopping in the business world. The company's emphasis on cost-effective sales channels, like its partnership with Amazon Web Services Marketplace, is akin to finding high-quality items at a discount store. This strategy highlights a commitment to reducing operational costs, a crucial factor in today's competitive market. It's like Salesforce is the savvy shopper in the supermarket of tech, picking out the best deals without compromising on quality. This approach not only keeps the wallet happy, but also ensures that the company stays nimble and efficient, ready to sprint ahead in the corporate marathon. As we move forward, let's not forget Adobe Inc., another formidable player in the digital technology realm. Adobe's resilience and innovation are unmatched, especially as it navigates the unpredictable economic conditions of Q4 2023. With a projected total revenue of nearly $5 billion for the quarter, Adobe's financial outlook is nothing short of bullish. Both Salesforce and Adobe represent the cutting edge of AI-driven growth and innovation. They stand as prime examples of how long-term optimism and strategic insight can lead to prosperous investment opportunities. Now, a quick reminder. We're not just about sharing insights, we're about building a community. Have thoughts or questions about today's topic? Drop a comment below and join the conversation. Remember, we are not financial advisors, and the content presented in this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Always consult with a licensed financial professional before making any investment decisions. To wrap up, if you're looking for more content that helps you navigate the ever-changing world of investments and technology, remember to like this video and subscribe to Dividend and Conquer. Stay ahead of the curve with us as we explore the future of investing together.